So this is my travel makeup bag. I have got cold, but this is everything that I took with me to Goa. And I took a little bit more stuff because I just wanted to. It fits a lot of stuff. I got it free with a purchase that I made from, I don't remember which website. I haven't even opened this. I don't even remember what I took. So let's see. Thanks. Okay, so here's everything laid out. Apparently, I didn't pack as much as I thought I did. It's not as much as it would be. Now, let's start with the brushes. I'm slightly a brand loyalist when it comes to Real Techniques brushes because they're good for the quality. This is like, I'll put the names up on the screen. An all over fluffy blending brush. Then we have an eyeshadow brush. This is really soft. Then I was using this to set my powder. This was mostly for blush and bronzer and all of that kind of stuff. This is my favorite highlighter brush. I actually cut it even from the top a bit because I really love buffing in all sorts of highlighter, and then, you know, the more I buff in, the more shiny it gets. Eyebrow brush that I actually use to darken my eyeliner. Another shadow brush. This is for my foundation. It's a flat top brush. Okay, this I got from Amazon as a set. It was a set of 12. This particular brush, I actually cut up so that, you know, this angle could come and I could just darken exactly the part of my outer V that I wanted to. Okay, these two mascaras, I like this one because it's easy to wash off. This one's a bitch to wash off, but together it's making a nice combination. Now all three of them are actually blushes for me. So one's because I don't use this bronzer as bronzer. I don't like warmer tone bronzers. Actually, I don't like bronzers at all. So I got this little package over here. It is the most beautiful, mesmerizing thing that I've ever seen in my entire life. The reason why I bought it. And the blush shade, I mean, it shows up on my skin tone when I build it up. And I like blushes that I can build up, you know. It's light, it's not heavy, and it's very soft on my skin, which I love. Okay, this is Wet n Wild Apricot in the middle. It's a nice blush. It's got some shimmer to it. It kind of shines, and I like it for that reason. I mean, it's very subtle. This bronzer, okay, it smells interesting. I don't know if you like the smell of coconuts, but it smells nice. Again, it's kind of similar to this, slightly lighter, but it gives a very beautiful all over sheen. So I can actually use this very liberally and then, you know, layer a blush on top, either of these two. So it's kind of like the base, plus it kind of melts into my skin tone. This is a Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer. Okay, this was my base palette, Milani's. I actually love, and I use quite a bit. I'm doing very light swatches just because, you know, I don't feel like digging my hand into it. So it's kind of like you can build some really neutral looks with it, and this has some shimmer, this shade over here, but it's nice. I never use all over setting lid shade. I'll tell you why I use this. So this powder of mine, No Filter powder in the shade Banana, is pretty dark for me. So I've mixed some lighter powder into this, a W7 powder, and I made my own cocktail because I needed a yellow toned powder. Now I set my whole face with this powder, if you can see over here, and then to brighten my under eyes I use this shade over here from the Milani palette, and it kind of works. Like this cocktail for my entire face and this for my under eyes kind of worked a lot. So it's not like you have one powder so you're supposed to use it in one fashion. The black I use for my eyebrows because I don't carry anything for my brows because I don't need it. I've been very blessed. Okay, this, I'm scared to open her up right now because I know it's broken. Here we go. Okay, so this is in the compact of Tarte's Confidence in a whatever powder. I mixed that powder with Makeup Revolution's eyeshadow single. It's a very nice cool tone brown, and I love contouring. I don't really care for bronzing. Sunblock, always have a sunblock. This was on my body, but I would do my face and body together. Primer from Interior House. It's nice. I've used it quite a few times on my IGTV, and it's nice. I mean, I have nothing bad to say about it. I have nothing great to say about it. It's good. Okay, this was my main go-to lip combinations. Anything that was on my lips was a combination of these three during the trip. Okay, I lost the sticker. I guess this is, I don't remember. It's from Maybelline Superstay. It's the bright red, I think red something something. There are only 2 reds in the line. Then this is Unicorn Blood from Jeffree Star. It's again a very beautiful dark shade. And then I needed something that if I wanted to just have nude lip, or just if I wanted something which I could lighten up these two with or wear alone, is the Soft Matte Lip Cream, and it's pretty much a great shade. I mean, if I suppose mix it in with this, you can see it turns into a pretty nice color of mauve, and I love it. Like, I love this entire situation. Like, even if I would mix some of this in, oh my god, I mean, I love mixing my products, so I don't treat one product just for the way it is. I love mixing. See, now you can make this a bit redder, and this is a nice nude red. I love this. Cushion Foundation Compact, you'll get your shade. It's really nice. It looks lovely on the skin, and don't use a sponge for it. Use a brush and really buff it into your skin. It's amazing. Setting spray. Everyone fucking needs a setting spray. Eyelash color. This one I got from Tarte. I really like it. I mean, I painted it. It wasn't in this color. It was in some limited edition pink color, but I love blue, so I painted this blue. Okay, these are in limited edition packaging. Both of them, like, one's a contour shade and one's a highlighter. The contour shade, again, is pretty cool tone, contoury. My highlighter, I mean, I really like this. It's my skin tone, but it has slightly bigger glitter particles, so that's why I don't use it as often as I wanted to. Now, in this ColourPop compact, I have one of my broken highlighters. I think it's Makeup Revolution highlighter that I just kept in this, because you know, you can see it's absolutely shattered, but it makes for a great loose highlight. I really love this stuff. It's in the shade Light. It's nice, it's buildable. You need to let it dry on your under eyes in order for you to feel like, oh, something's happening. And this, the best for last. Alright, all of these shades I got from ColourPop. I presume all of them. Alright, this one's a custom shade that I made. This is my favorite brown. I took some brown eyeshadow and I mixed it with some glitter. And then this is another one that I kind of, you know, mixed and matched. It's a very reddy color. So these are like my favorite shades. I did not wear this, but Glass Bowl is another one of my favorites from ColourPop. Like, all of them are just glitters. These are the only 2 that I actually wore during the trip, and I absolutely love them. I mean, especially this one. Like, you put it on your eyes, and then after that, when you smudge it out, right, it has this beautiful shine, and I absolutely adore it. Anyway, that was it. This is everything that I bought with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I am very tired because I'm unwell right now, but I hope I explained everything to you, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.